So hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So alright guys, today we are going to make something new. I mean it's rare. Yesterday I saw a video called lava lamp. So today we are going to make a lava lamp. So let's do it. Before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. If we want to make a lava lamp, so we need oil, vinegar, baking soda, and two color, blue, green. That's up to you guys. So I'm going to take a glass. First I'm going to put some baking soda in this glass. Now I'm going to pour oil. Okay, that's enough. So we need to pour very carefully. First I'm going to pour some vinegar here. Now I'm going to mix green color. So alright guys, moment of the truth. Now the main thing, I'm going to pour this vinegar on this oil. I don't know. And guys, that is really amazing. Guys, we made the lava lamp. Awesome, right guys? That is so awesome. I'm going to, guys, look at it. How beautiful is this? Amazing guys, right? Totally amazing. That is so amazing guys. So amazing. So alright guys, I really loved it. So now I'm going to make another lava lamp, but now it's blue. Guys, now I'm going to mix color in vinegar. So alright guys, another blue lava lamp. And guys, this is more beautiful than green lava lamp. So I'm going to show you properly. Amazing guys, totally amazing. That is so amazing. Okay. Amazing, right guys? Very amazing. Just awesome. So here's I have blue and here I have green. Guys, blue is more beautiful than green lava lamp. Am I right guys? So yeah, so alright guys, this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So this is Lord of Experiment. My name is Mr. Karwan and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye. That's awesome guys. Awesome.